Lads, I've been growing a brand new YouTube channel for the past 100 days. Honestly, it's been a bit of a roller coaster. Basically, I want to prove that I could pick a niche, do some research on what's working on YouTube, and then replicate it to make a successful page that is earning money. And boys, we are so close. It's ridiculous. First, I've already made a video about this channel. We did a 30-day challenge. If you haven't watched that, basically, we picked a channel in the Minecraft niche because Minecraft generates over 1 billion views a month. Now, I don't care how many Minecraft channels there are, 1 billion views is a lot of people, and I wanted to get myself involved in a bit of that. Roblox does get more views, but I could not commit myself at the age of 25 to be making Roblox videos. I just couldn't do it. Anyways, after that, I did a bit of research, I saw what was working. Basically, I stumbled across a gold mine where these YouTubers were getting millions and millions and millions of views a month, literally probably raking in tens of thousands of dollars every month by making these Minecraft butt challenges. And these are super simple challenges. It's just playing Minecraft with like one mod installed and beating the game. Now, once I saw that, that was enough proof for me to think, right, okay, this is a good niche. You boys used to absolutely destroy the craft back in the day. So if I could make money playing it now as an adult, where do I sign? Where's the paper? Anyways, armed with all this knowledge, we made my channel, and in the first 30 days, we smashed 4,000 hours of watch time, which is what you need to get monetized. We only ended up with about 200 subscribers, which was a bit mid. I was a bit, a bit annoyed at that, because we literally could have got monetized if we just had enough subscribers. The biggest video got over like 8,000 views on a long form 20-minute video. We're onto something here. This could be the Faceless channel that gets me out of the trenches. Come on. Which obviously now you're all caught up with that video. Where does that bring us today? Let me show you what we're working with here. We've hit over 826 subscribers. Our analytics are absolutely popping. 32,000 views, 3.3k hours of watch time in just 28 days, by the way, and we've earned over 289 subscribers. If I switch this to all time, you can see we've nearly done 100,000 views, 10k hours of watch time. We're just waiting on the subscribers. This is no shorts as well. This is all long form, all 20-30 minute videos, which means, this channel could earn an absolute killing. We just need to get it to 1,000 subscribers. All right, so the first thing on the list is we need more subscribers. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we can get monetized. We've already got well over 10,000 hours of watch time. You only need 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetized. So it's literally just the subscribers number. A few of you guys in my last video said, bro, you're so stupid, just make a TikTok account. And honestly, I am so stupid. I don't know why we didn't start with this. But if you can see here, there's this guy called Wisp Clips. Now, Wisp is the Minecraft YouTuber that I've kind of been taking inspiration from the whole thing. This is the guy that's literally earning tens of thousands of dollars making Minecraft videos. Every video he releases on his YouTube channel, he also releases on TikTok. And what he does is actually something really smart, is he splits them up into different parts. So as we can see here, part 1 goes all the way up to part 7, part 8, part 9, and each video is like 4 minutes long, so like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, like a 30-minute Minecraft video can be turned into a 9-part TikTok video. Now, the reason this is interesting and this is going to help us get subscribers is because TikTok's algorithm, as you can see, like some of these views are quite decent. He's got a video with 17 million views on just a random part 3, 5 million, 3 million, 4 million, 2.4, 4.9, and like I'm scrolling and these are all in the millions of views. Like, this is insane, which just goes to show that TikTok's algorithm could help us out here. Now, all we have to do is exactly what he does, is put a link in the description to our actual YouTube channel, and hopefully we can use the fact that you can go viral on TikTok very easily to help, push people towards our YouTube channel. So that is exactly what I've done. So as you can see here, Broden Blocks has made it onto TikTok. Round of applause, everybody. Now, something I think is very funny is look at the first as we posted. 6 views, 5 views, 6 views, 5 views, 100 views. I'm washed. I'm absolutely washed. Nah, I'm joking. This was a brand new account, and with TikTok, if you make a brand new account, they just think you're a robot. Like, they think you're a bot, and they're not going to promote your videos because they think you're a scammer. So all I did was start scrolling through my feed, liking a few videos, commenting on a few videos, and just making myself look more like a real person, just so TikTok could say, all right, this Broden Blocks guy, he's not too bad, he's all right. Anyways, so I did that, and as you can see, the views started going up. Still had a bit of a few stinkers, but then we got like our first 1,000 views. And then steadily we've grown it. I think I've only converted about 6 or 7 of these videos by now. Now, although the views aren't crazy, we are getting comments like someone here saying, next part, please. Lord Bacon, love the episode so far. Keep pumping more of these out. Isla saying, watch the YouTube channel. So there's definitely a little bit of motion here. I can't tell you exactly how many subscribers we've got from this, but it is probably worthwhile, especially because we're just trying to scramble to 1,000. And this is so easy to do. I basically just made like a super easy template. All I literally have to do, drop in one of my YouTube videos, and it comes in like that. I literally just drag that down, make that bigger, add a blur effect, cut it up into separate parts. Then I just copy that into this sequence where it has like a title and a part 1. Boom, we have a clip. Like, it's that simple. And as soon as I made this project file, now it literally takes me about 5 minutes to convert a YouTube video into 8 separate clips. Amount of effort that goes into this, the reward is like insane. So if you've got a YouTube channel, you might as well clip onto TikTok as well, and even Instagram. Next up, you can probably tell by my thumbnails that all of a sudden they've gotten a lot better. Like, look at this one. That's cool. That's really cool. This one's insane. You might be thinking, hang on, how have you just got to become a professional thumbnail editor? I'll tell you a little secret right now. It's not all me. Basically, I've been using an AI tool to like fast track this whole process, and it's really, really cool. So if I go into OpenArt here, which is where you can use a bunch of different AI softwares, I'll leave a link down below, but we can go into the image section, go over to like Nano Banana Pro. I've got this screenshot of my Minecraft guy right here. All I have to do is throw him into the add references. You can go onto YouTube and basically take inspiration from other people. So my next video is going to be like an Omni chunk video, Minecraft, but chunks are random. Now this is just a video that I've seen pop off with loads of other creators getting hundreds of thousands of views. As you can see here, millions of views here, hundreds of thousands of views here. I wanted to recreate this in my own style. So for example, this is quite a good thumbnail. We can go ahead and click snippet and use this as a reference. Now the key is you don't want to just use one reference, you want to use a bunch. So again, this one's good. And then you can just add these again into the references. You just need to write a little prompt in. So I've put create me a unique Minecraft thumbnail where all the blocks are random, only include the dolphin guy. Make sure that it's 16:9 because that is, you know, like a YouTube thumbnail. Maybe give it 2 generations to give it like a different attempts. And then bosh, we've got this one, which looks quite professional, I'd say. And we've got this one. Now this one's good. I'll just get rid of the text. I hate the text. YouTube thumbnails don't really use text as much these days, especially in 2026. And I'd possibly make my dolphin guy smaller, or maybe smaller in this one. I'm not too sure. What's good about this is if you want to make any changes, you can just download the image and throw it back into your references and just tell it what you want to change. And it's as simple as that. That is literally how I've leveled up my thumbnails to these ones here. Like they look so much better and they look more professional. It's taken me way less time, like, which is obviously working because you see this one here has done 21,000 views, this one here has done 12,000 views, and they look like, you know, professional Minecraft thumbnails. And now you can do this in any niche, because obviously your videos are already taking inspiration off other people. Some people have probably already made similar videos to you. See what their thumbnails look like. Put a few of them into the OpenArt generator. You do need to make sure that it includes something unique about you. So for me, it's obviously the Minecraft skin, but you know, for you, it could be your face, it could be your character's avatar, or some branding that's similar on your channel. And then boom, you've just got professional, you know, clickable thumbnails in like what, 5 minutes? Next up, a lot of you told me to do shorts. Say a lot of you, I mean like 20-30% of the comments were, why don't you just do shorts? Just do shorts. And like, honestly, I was so close. I was so tempted to run up on shorts. Now, if you don't know, shorts is super easy to get views. You can get hundreds of thousands of views on a brand new channel, which can rake you in over 1,000 subscribers very easily. I reckon we could have done this in under a month if we just ran up loads of shorts. Now, the reason I didn't want to do this is because I didn't want to kill my channel. You know, I see this channel in making a lot of money in the future. And you probably figure, what do you mean kill the channel? Honestly, if you build up your subscriber base off shorts, you're just really going to mess up your algorithm for the long form videos. The reason that's important is because your long form videos, especially these ones, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, people that watch shorts and subscribe to you for shorts don't want to watch 20-minute videos, which is going to mean that your long form videos might not actually get sent out to people anymore. So you could actually kill your channel by posting shorts at the start. If you want to post shorts when you're more established, you've got 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 subscribers, go for it, because YouTube already knows your algorithm by then. I wouldn't advise, you know, spamming them, but you can definitely post them to, you know, increase your channel's growth. Obviously, we've posted a few shorts. I just upload the first 30 seconds of our long form video, and then as you can see here in the bottom left, it's like a link to the main video, and that kind of works. You know, this guy's put here, that's it, you know, he wants more, and I put full video on my channel. He's put thank you. I didn't want to spam shorts. I didn't want to run the risk. If they're only wanting to stick around for 1 or 2 minutes, this page is already dead in the water. There's no point in it. So that is why we've not gone down the shorts route. All right, lads, so we've done a bunch of stuff. Have we managed to hit that 1,000 subscriber goal? Well, of course we have. I mean, I'm making this video. I mean, I would have made it if we did. All right, then here we are, the magic number 1,000 subscribers. Come on. Honestly, this took way longer than it should have. Kind of my own fault. I didn't lock in hard enough. But as you can see, there's like periods where I just don't upload for like a month. And there's like another period here where I don't upload for a month. So basically, I've kind of done this in 4 months. Is what I'm going to run for the video anyway. Top video got 21,000 views. We got one with 12. We got one with 11,000 views. And what's crazy about all these videos is like if I click on this, I go to engagement. That's 2,000 hours of watch time. On a 24-minute video, this duration, like the average view duration, is 9 minutes and 45. That means the average person is watching for like 10 minutes on a video. That means we're making banger videos like this. That means we are absolutely cooking. So that's good news. It definitely makes me think we are on the right track with this channel. Now we've been monetized for a total of 4 days. And let's just show you how much we've made. Boom! £7.42. Whoo! We are rich. RPM is really bad right now. Like it's really rubbish. I think it's like 20p or something. So I think that's just because we've just hit it. I haven't actually uploaded a video since we've been monetized either. That is all from previous videos. So I'm hoping that that's obviously going to grow a lot more as we continue, which means there's probably going to be a 200-day challenge video on this, which will be monetized for the full period. So hopefully we can actually earn some decent money. The hard work's done, the foundation's done, we've built to 1,000 subscribers, we've got the watch time, we've got a winning formula, and we're monetized. I'm quite excited. I'm quite excited to see where this will go. I'm actually having a lot of fun making these Minecraft videos. I didn't think I'd be saying this at 25, but you know, it's fun. Like the fact that you can get paid for playing a game and just editing some videos, it still blows my mind. And like, I hope this has given some of you some motivation as well. Like at the start of the year, this channel just didn't exist. 5 months down the line, it's a fully monetized channel that is now, you know, on track to hopefully earn a fair bit of money. Obviously, you don't have to make a Minecraft channel for other games, or if you don't want to be a gamer, there's so many different formats. There's like Faceless YouTube that you can try. I guess I'm going to finish this video on nothing changes if nothing changes. You need to put in the work, grind out your channel, and you can get yourself monetized as well. I'm really excited for the next one, so definitely make sure to subscribe. I'll see you all later.